I know I've done videos on this before, but this really bears repeating because it's so common, particularly on a lot of the Mercedes produced during the 1970s and the early 80s. Even on a rust-free car like this 300 SD, you're going to find rust in these areas right here because of the heavy body undercoating that was used during that period. So you start chipping away in these corners where water collects, and you're going to find rust, and it's usually due to the fact the body undercoating is holding the moisture in. So we're chipping all this away, grinding it, and we're going to repair it with miracle paint and fiberglass cloth. And you just want to spend a little extra time making sure that it is holding up tight to the entire surface. Some of you are wondering, well, Kent, how do you finish this off so it looks like the factory undercoating? This is plenty good enough for most cars. You know, it's going to get dirty on here, you're not going to see it, but if you want to make it look like this, so there's no evidence that this has ever been patched. Okay, I thought you'd like to see the end results before I throw the wheels and tires back on this 300 SD. So here is the quick and dirty method. If you look, you can see a little bit of ridge line around where that patch is, but I tell you, after you drive this car and get some dirt up in here, you're never going to see it again. You might know it exists, but that's probably as good a repair as most people need. Now let's go over and look at the left side. So here's the finished left side. Now I did say earlier if I wanted to get some gray anthracite paint and kind of lightly fog it in here, then I could really disguise this. You can have as much fun as you want. You can make it as perfect as you want, but just get out there and have some fun. Get some miracle paint, fiberglass cloth, some fiberglass filler, some chip guard, and go to town on your old Benz underneath where you'll find this type of rust.